Autonomous digital workers now perform tasks by interacting directly with graphical interfaces, moving beyond text-based chat toward models controlling operating systems. These are known as computer using agents, or CUAs. Instead of executing back-end scripts, a CUA operates software by looking at the screen and interacting with it exactly like a human employee. Traditional automation relies on rigid code pipelines and precise API calls. If a software vendor updates a button or changes a database schema, those fixed pipelines break. A CUA bypasses the underlying code entirely. It captures screenshots of the interface, processing raw pixels to map the layout and determine where to click based on the visual information. It then generates simulated mouse movements and keystrokes to input data and navigate menus, granting it mechanical control over the entire computing environment. This allows the agent to work with legacy enterprise dashboards and internal tools that lack modern APIs, making them accessible to automation for the first time. Organizations are using these agents to complete multi-step workflows, like processing claims or updating records, that previously required manual keyboard entry. By replacing static integrations with autonomous agents, the core challenge for IT teams shifts from maintaining API stability to managing agent behavior. This execution loop enables autonomous navigation through a continuous cycle: perception, reasoning, action, and feedback. During perception, the agent receives a screenshot, parsing pixels to identify text and icons. In the reasoning phase, the model evaluates the goal and determines the specific UI interaction needed. That decision triggers the action phase, transmitting coordinate data to move the mouse or send keystrokes. Finally, in the feedback phase, the agent takes a new screenshot to observe the results. It observes the new state and self-corrects if a pop-up appears. Researchers measure these loops using the OS World benchmark. It evaluates an agent's ability to navigate workflows natively across a full operating system. OpenAI's computer-using agent achieves a 38.1% success rate on OS World, setting the current benchmark for general desktop control. Success rates are higher on web-based tasks. On benchmarks like Web Voyager, these agents successfully complete up to 89% of their assigned objectives. These results indicate that AI can generalize across unfamiliar interfaces, moving beyond static scripts into dynamic, measurable execution. The market is divided between three major execution layers: OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google. OpenAI's operator is optimized for general workflows, where the agent moves natively between desktop applications. Anthropic's Claude takes a different path. It's an API-only developer tool with a lower OS World score of 22%. However, Claude demonstrates higher performance in technical coding and software development tasks. Coding-specific tools achieve their results by running inside sandboxed Docker containers. Meanwhile, Google's open-source browser use framework focuses exclusively on web tasks, leading with an 89% score on Web Voyager. Google's approach combines raw visual processing with HTML parsing to anchor visual perception. While OpenAI and Anthropic maintain closed ecosystems, Google's open-source model allows developers to self-host custom execution loops. The landscape is now split: virtual machines for desktop tasks, Docker for development, and HTML loops for the web. Giving probabilistic agents pixel-level control creates a safety gap. Without supervision, models can unintentionally access sensitive data or perform unauthorized actions. Traditional security cannot contain these agents. Because their paths are non-deterministic, they can bypass standard controls by visually reading restricted files. Managing this risk requires a separate orchestration layer to govern the execution engine, the OpenClaw architecture. OpenClaw intercepts the agent's intent and organizes it into a serialized command queue. Before any click is finalized, an interception hook pauses the process, creating a mandatory checkpoint. During this pause, regex and named entity recognition scan outbound text for personally identifiable information. These findings are checked against a sensitive data manifest, defining exactly what information the agent can handle. If a violation is detected, OpenClaw triggers a human-in-the-loop checkpoint for manual approval. The framework also provides output sanitization. It masks credentials so the agent can log into systems without the model seeing the plaintext password. Safe deployment treats the model as a simple execution engine while keeping all authority within a transparent governance wrapper like OpenClaw. Despite the current interest, These agents are not yet available for broad, unsupervised public use. Access is restricted to research previews and paid tiers like ChatGPT Pro or limited developer-only API betas. The slow rollout is driven by high computational costs and the significant security risks associated with agents that can take irreversible digital actions. The next 36 months will see a shift toward enterprise-grade deployment, where access is tied to verified identities and specific organizational accounts. Organizations will implement role-based access controls and maintain permanent audit trails of every visual action the agent takes to meet compliance standards. Eventually, the architecture will move away from standalone apps. Intelligence will be integrated at the system level, resulting in the agentic OS. This creates the semantic desktop, where the operating system acts as a context engine. It will automatically understand that data from a recent spreadsheet is the context needed for a new draft. In the final stage of cross-device agency, agents will coordinate tasks seamlessly across mobile devices, local hardware, and cloud servers. To prepare for this, organizations must establish governable architectures now, ensuring security protocols are in place before these capabilities become standard. The long-term advantage belongs to those who build robust orchestration layers rather than those who simply deploy the most capable standalone models. For more technical breakdowns on building secure agent architectures, subscribe to KYC AI Labs.